Assalamu alaikum. This video is related to moving text behind subject and object in a video with Premiere Pro. সাথে আছি আমি জামাল. At first, drag and drop a video in the timeline. Now play it. Click on text tool. Then write here something. Before writing, you can set up something. For this, go to Effect Controls. Scroll down. Click on Text option. You can change font. For this, search here. Search that AUGUST. Click on this. Increase font size like this 290. Then click on this for bold. Scroll down. Click on the fill color. Click on the selected color. It's okay. Then tick marks on it. For stroke, choose the color. I like this. Then increase I like 15. Then write here something like this. JAMAL TECH. Then go to Essential Graphics. If you don't find, go to Window and tick mark on it. Then go to Essential Graphics. Click on Vertical Center, Horizontal Center. After this, increase the text layer with footage. Then duplicate the footage. For this, Alt press drag and drop here. Click on the duplicate layer and go to Effects. Right here color key. Click on it, drag and drop it on the duplicate layer. Then go to Effect Controls. You will find color key. Then key color 2. Click on eyedropper. When the duplicate layer is selected, click on where the text. Then increase the color tolerance. I can think 50 is okay. For better playing, press on enter. Now we need to text animation. For this, click on the text layer, go to Effect Controls, click on Position, select the keyframe, click on Option, Temporal Interpolation to make it easy in for smooth animation. Put the time coder here as you need. Add keyframe, move the text here as you think. Again, put the time coder here and add keyframe. Again, put the time coder here, add keyframe. Move the text here, wait some time here. For this, click on keyframe. Again, put the time coder here, then move the text here. I think it's okay. For better playing, we need rendering. For this, press enter from keyboard. If you need the footage, comment me. If the video is helpful, stay with me. Thank you for watching.